Imagine a world where diamonds aren't just a symbol of wealth and luxury, but are also a testament to innovation and sustainability. A world where these sparkling gems are created, not over millions of years under intense geological pressure, but in just a matter of weeks in a laboratory setting. Today, we are going to unlock the secrets of how lab diamonds are made, and why they are not only a brilliant alternative to mined diamonds, but also an eco-friendly choice that doesn't compromise on quality or sparkle. Part 1. Unlocking the secrets. How lab diamonds are created in just weeks. The process of creating a lab-grown diamond is a fascinating journey that harnesses the power of technology to replicate the natural diamond formation process in a controlled laboratory environment. At its core, this process involves two key steps: high pressure and high temperature synthesis. By mimicking the conditions under which natural diamonds form, scientists and engineers are able to produce diamonds of similar quality and chemical composition to their mined counterparts in a fraction of the time. But how does it work? The first step in creating a lab-grown diamond is to obtain the raw materials, and guess what? Ordinary graphite, which is a form of carbon, serves as the primary source for these diamonds. This common material undergoes a remarkable transformation when subjected to extreme heat and pressure. Graphite, which is typically used in pencils, is a soft, slippery substance, but it holds the potential to become one of the hardest minerals known to man. Diamond. Now let's talk about the incredible journey of carbon to brilliance. When ordinary graphite is subjected to temperatures ranging from 1500 to 2000 degrees Fahrenheit and colossal pressures reaching 5 gigapascals, a significant transformation occurs. The tightly bound carbon atoms within the graphite structure rearrange themselves into the iconic tetrahedral lattice that is characteristic of diamonds. This process not only results in a change of structure, but also leads to the release of significant energy. The carbon atoms literally dance and vibrate with energy as they form new bonds. And believe it or not, this energy is harnessed to facilitate the growth of the diamond crystal. It's like a cosmic game of musical chairs where the carbon atoms find their perfect partners and settle into their forever homes. But that's not all. To ensure the creation of flawless diamonds, scientists and engineers carefully control the growth process. They monitor parameters such as temperature, pressure, and the introduction of additional elements to ensure optimal crystal growth. It's a delicate balancing act, much like a tightrope walk, where precision and control are of utmost importance. Now let's move on to part 2, from carbon to brilliance. The fascinating process of diamond creation. The birth of a diamond begins with a tiny seed, a small crystal of diamond that acts as the foundation for the larger gem. From this minuscule start, the diamond grows layer by layer in a process that mimics the natural diamond formation over millions of years. But here's the twist. Scientists and engineers have ingeniously found ways to accelerate this growth, allowing diamonds to be created in a matter of weeks instead of millions of years. One of the most popular methods for growing diamonds in a lab setting is the high-pressure, high-temperature, or HPHT method. As the name suggests, this method involves subjecting the starting material, typically graphite, to both high-pressure and high-temperature conditions. By carefully controlling these conditions, scientists can coax the carbon atoms to transform into a diamond crystal lattice. It's like creating the perfect environment for a baby diamond to grow. Another widely used method is the chemical vapor deposition, or CVD technique. In this method, a mixture of carbon-rich gases is introduced into a chamber where it is subjected to high temperatures and plasma. This creates an environment where the carbon atoms can react and form diamond crystal. It's like a molecular dance, where the carbon atoms come together in a perfectly orchestrated ballet to form a beautiful diamond. But the journey doesn't end there. Once the diamond crystal reaches a sufficient size, it is carefully extracted from the growth chamber and undergoes a series of treatments to enhance its brilliance and clarity. The rough diamond is then sent to a specialized facility where skilled cutters and polishers take over. Their expertise is crucial in transforming the raw diamond into a sparkling gem that is ready to be set into jewelry. So there you have it, lab-grown diamonds, a remarkable feat of scientific and technological innovation that allows us to enjoy the beauty and brilliance of diamonds in a more sustainable and ethical way. These lab-grown gems not only offer an eco-friendly alternative to mined diamonds, but also provide a chance to explore the fascinating world of gemology from the comfort of our homes. Thank you for joining us on this journey from carbon to brilliance. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more exciting content. Until next time, stay curious and keep asking questions. The more we know, the more we can wonder.